Wolf is a brand that is curious by nature, driven by precision and technology. It's the driving force to make every detail count, to leave nothing unattended. We're always looking at what's ahead. We partner as a brand with JWRC because you could ask yourself the question, why not? It's for us the possibility to play a role in the fantastic world of WRC and Junior WRC as a platform to challenge ourselves, to test, learn and develop the products that are not only relevant for motorsport, but could be applied to any country, any location, any condition and any vehicle.
Motorsport, it's a very demanding environment. The lubricants that they need to cope with extreme rally conditions are very heavily tested in a rally car.
My name is Will Creighton and I'm the 2023 Junior World Rally Champion. We drive flat out for 300 kilometers every WRC event. Of course, the lubricant has to be reliable, so you can just focus on driving.
You are very fast, like you are 8th stage fastest, but last stage your car stop technical issue, then you have no any result. So reliability is one of the most important things.
If you want to win first, you need to finish. So it's always been like this, and it's always been in a development to get the reliability in place that you could just focus on the pure speed.
Over the years of the partnership with Wolf, we have been developing a very high-performing product. With the lubrication which we are using and we have been testing and developing together with Wolf Lubricants, we've been looking for every single horsepower which we can gain by reducing the friction, by having a constant conditions depending on the engine temperature.
I mean, the first thing you look for in terms of lubricants is to secure the reliability. I mean, that's the key thing for us, especially in rallying, is to have a car who is reliable and can go the full distance. I would say that's even more important now than it has been in the past, because we're allowed only 2 engines per year.
What our products are is like a very complex combination of active ingredients. We have our own proprietary technology called multi-factor oil serum technology that makes sure that an engine oil performs at any given moment, at any given time, keeps its properties as long as possible and allows whatever car that you're driving in the world to perform at its ultimate best.
Starting in Rally Sweden with the temperature dropping down to minus 25 degrees, and the car needs to fire up with no problem. You need to be able to change the gears, you need to be able to operate. But then you go to another extreme like Rally Sardinia, Rally Acropolis, where it's plus 30 up to 40 degrees, and lubricants needs to again cope with those very demanding, dusty, hot rallies, where the car components are getting up to 1000 degrees, as an example, with the turbocharger. So for sure the products that we have now are absolutely the top quality, what's needed for motorsport.
What we've just launched is a racing line, so a line of 4 racing-related products where we really take the direct learnings of what we do in WRC to a product that can be bought by every single person on the planet. In a second layer, we take the generic learnings in the collaboration with the engineers here of M-Sport Poland to a broader range of products. So we infuse that in every product that we have to see where we can have marginal gains that can be applied into our development process, our testing processes, and then the go-to-market of all those different products.
As a new champion, we're going to look for ways to improve. It's only going to get more competitive from now, so we're just focused on the road ahead. To be partnered with Wolf, brand, they're always looking, ways to improve and get better. Yeah, that's really important for us.
We are looking for the partners that we can rely on, the partners that can share the same mentality as we have.
Our vision is to continue being a driving force in motorsport. We will do that by strengthening our partnerships, fostering talent, and continuing to develop cutting-edge lubricant solutions that enhance the performance and sustainability of the products that we develop.
It's constant drive for excellence and it's constant push. And that's what we are doing year by year. We're improving, and year by year we're getting faster and faster.
Wolf Lubricants is not just a partner. We are a dedicated brand in the drive for progress.